How in the heck are you guys? All right, plug came back in. So we're gonna, I don't know what the hell we're gonna do. We're gonna do it. But welcome back to Scrapyard Garage, and here we go. Well, hopefully we'll get this plug in and show all these damn haters that it's the damn plug and nothing else. All right, should be a quick video here, and I'm just going to show you how to put a plug on. Pretty basic stuff. All right, y'all. All right, so we got this. We're gonna cut it back a little bit so we can get rid of this corrosion and stuff. You can see all the cobwebs turning green, you know. It'll do that, y'all. If you don't use it, it'll turn green and get cobwebs, all right? So here we go. All right, I know this is way longer, but then I can just cut down these wires to size. So that's why I did that. You know, no need to be fooling around. And then open up this plug. No, puppy dog's trying to figure out what I'm doing here. Huh. All right. Well, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says white and black, so that's really easy. We'll take this off and feed our wire through. Daggone things. I got this off the famous store of Amazon. No, eBay. eBay. All right, you got your collar. Right up to this, the sheathing there. Set it in. Add your bracket. Add your screw. Don't want to tighten it up too much. Just get it in there. Daggone leads. You hear the dog barking. Heard the leaves blow. One of those awesome things is Pyrenees do. Okay, and this one right here says green. So guess what? The green. But I probably should fix these up first. So give some room to strip it. All right, got a little copper washer right there. We're gonna feed this wire through in between the washer. I should have made it longer, go the other way too, but go around it. But there you go. I'll make this one a little longer. See, I ain't cut it back far enough. See, it's a little brown. So guess what, guys? All right. Hang on. I'm going to take this part. I'm going to take off another 1.5 feet or so. See if I can get rid of this corrosion here. black. There we go. Wrap it around. We'll do the same with the white. I keep forgetting I have to talk on these damn things. Show you, but hey, boo-boo.
Daddy, Mommy let me come out here.
Huh?
Mommy let me come out here, I said.
Oh, okay. White. Black. Hey. All right, so make sure nothing's touching. We're gonna cut off this green here.
Oh. Oh! It snapped.
Yep.
Is that part sharp? Or is it electric?
Watch out, boo-boo.
Okay.
You're gonna get hurt.
Okay. I'll watch out.
All right. Now, we're gonna do something a little different here with this ground. Hey, stop, please.
Okay.
We're gonna stick it right in here in the hole. All right, we're gonna do something a little different here. We're gonna put this right in here.
What's this, Daddy?
It's a plug, honey. It's for the power. We're gonna test the power out.
Okay.
See if everything works.
Okay. Oh. Daddy, there's a spider web on your ladder.
Okay.
I don't see no spider on it. I'm gonna get something to slam it off. Let me see if it's on this part. Nope. No spider web on that part.
All right. Put the ground in. Wonder if we should tighten this up more.
Daddy, I took off the spider web.
Okay. All right. Okay. Make sure nothing's touching. Put the bracket back on. Don't tighten it up too much again because you need to make sure you can get all your screws tightened up. All right, we got them tightened. All right, it's not going anywhere. Put the cover on. Put the sticker back on. Put your screws back in. All right. Take a drink. I don't drink, so here's video sponsored by Dr. Pepper. That's pretty much all I drink. All right. Now I'm gonna move you guys. All right. I'm gonna cut these off a little bit, restrip them, try to if you want to do it real good, make sure you plug it in before you do all this stuff. You know, the current's going through then, you know. Then, boo, honey. All right, white on white. Black on black. This plug's for the generator, but my main concern right now is to get this shore power working. First and foremost. All right, I'm not gonna put the cover on yet. All right, moment of truth. We got a red light, and then we're gonna plug it in. See if anything trips. Nothing tripped. Red light.
What does it mean, tripped?
Blew a fuse or something. So now, let's go inside and see if we got power. All right, runner here. Remember last video, we gotta connect this back up. Plug this in. I'll put you over here in case it blows up.
What does it mean when it blows up?
Hear it hum? It's positive. All right, come on, guys. Let's go inside. Hold on.
Ooh, what's this? What's this for?
We got something. Hey, we got a light on. Oh, yeah.
Daddy, there's some toothbrushes that you can put in there.
Something's running. Who knows what it's running?
There's some tooth.
What do you got?
This is probably a ball.
All right, no lights. Do we need to turn something on here? Hey, we got a slide out.
Whoa, what was that? What's this for? Ooh, it's moving.
We got a slide out.
Fun.
All this room.
I didn't got to see out all this room.
Okay, slide out works. Ceiling. Compartment.
What does compartment mean?
Porch light. Alright, porch light doesn't work.
There's a lot of space now.
It's going in,
Ow.
going out.
Ow. Ow.
Compartment. Let's turn the compartment on.
Yep, it works.
We got lights.
Yay.
Yay!
Lucky us. Well, Daddy, look at in the bedroom. I found a bounce ball. Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy, a bounce ball. A bounce ball, Daddy. Look.
Yeah, hold on, baby. We're trying to. Refrigerator's on. Microwave works.
Hey, we got everything ready. Well, not really everything.
Alright. Hey! Fan works.
Fan works.
I don't know what this light is. Okay. Maybe it's, I don't know.
Hey, we got card games.
All right, pump. Light. Fan.
Daddy, look, we got some card games.
Yeah.
Some cards. Ooh, woohoo!
Well,
Why don't we play some cards?
all right.
Daddy, why don't we play some cards?
Now we got
Back inside.
that. Forgot about my car.
You.
Did it touch it? Oh no, we're good. Whew. All right, guys. Well, this is
Can we see the video?
this is helpful. Now we just got to figure out everything else. But I don't know if these lights are blown or fans all. I just don't know. This is where, since we have power, Some lights work.
Daddy, what
That light works.
Daddy, what we play together when we go back in with these card games?
This light doesn't work. So this light doesn't work. This fan doesn't work. But that fan works. This light doesn't work. That fan doesn't work. Oh, we got lights here.
Ooh.
Fan.
Daddy, can I be in this room when we go camping?
Fan works really well. Okay, let's see if this thing works. We got lights. So, yay. We got it. So much closer, guys. That's really exciting. Now, flip you around here. All right. 10 amps loaded. Power station. Hey, looky there. See if this turns on. Oh crap.
What?
Look at that. It works.
It works.
It works.
I can't
We got air blowing. Let's see here. Got air blowing. Got air blowing. This one doesn't. This one's not working. So Zone 1. Zone 2. Zone 2. Hey. All right, I don't know. All right, guys. Pulling 13 amps. All right.
I think this game meant who has a max. I think.
Okay. Now we got to figure out what's going on with this. But hey, that's good news though. Well, Trevor, little punk ass bitch, Gotcha, buddy. You're wrong, hon. You're wrong. But anyway. All right, guys. This is good news, buddy. Keith, thank you.
Love you.
And okay. Deb, thank you. We're gonna get this thing rocking and rolling. We got something running up there. Hopefully it'll cool. I mean, it's already cool outside now, so I don't know if it's just blowing air or what it's doing, or if it's cooling down, or whatever the case scenario is. But so that's it for tonight, guys. Main thing was getting that plug in. Going through and seeing everything works is a bonus. So hey, for you people that like this channel, you got a bonus. Past that, man. Ooh. All right. Before I let you guys go, we're gonna go check out this TV and see if it works. How do you power? Is it not plugged in? May not be plugged in. But guys, look at this. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. All right, but we got it rocking and rolling, and I'm gonna look around here, you know, jump up and down and giggle like a little schoolgirl, and then we're till next week. All right, guys. God bless America.